So, hello everyone. Myself Kamlesh Rajendra Dursender, and today's date is 8th of April 2024. And my today's video topic is a technical video topic, and the name of my topic is method overloading in Java. So, in today's video, let me explain you about method overloading. So, what is method overloading? If a class have multiple methods having same name but different in parameters, so that time it is called as method overloading in Java. So if we have to perform only one operation having the same name of method, and it increases the readability of the program. So the suppose we have to perform addition of given numbers, but there can be any number of arguments. So if we write the method such as add and pass two arguments integer for two parameters, and second is add, that is for three parameters, then it may be difficult for us as well as other programmers to understand the behavior of that method because of its name is different. So the method overloading it increases the readability of our program. So in Java, so there are different ways to overload the method. So there are basically two ways to overload the method in Java. So the first is by changing the number of arguments, and this is first type, and the second type is by changing the data type. So the first is let me discuss about first, by changing the number of arguments. So let me tell you with some example. Suppose we have created two methods. First is add method that performs addition of two numbers, and second method performs addition of three numbers. So the example, let me tell you. So we are creating static methods so that we don't need to create instance to call that method. So first is suppose we have a class with name of addition. So we create the integer add method, static int add, and we pass two arguments, integer a and integer b, and it returns a plus b. Then second method is static integer add, integer a, integer b, and integer c, and it returns a plus b plus c. So we have the class, there is overloading, and in that suppose we have in main method. So if we print the statement addition dot add and we pass 10 or 20, so it provides, and second printing statement, that is addition of second add method, and we pass three arguments 10, 20, 30, which passing three values. So it provides us the addition of two number and addition of three numbers. Then second type of method overloading is by changing the data type of argument. Suppose let me explain you with example. Suppose we are creating two methods that different in data type. So the first add method receive two integer argument, and the second add method receive the two double arguments. Suppose we have a class that is addition. So in that static integer add method, integer a and integer b, so it returns a plus b, and second is static double addition, so double a and double b, and it returns ab. So the in method overloading, in main method, if we print the statement addition method add and we pass the value 10 or 20, that is integer value, so it returns the addition of two value, and suppose in second we print and we provide the value something 10.5 and 20.6, so it returns the double value. So this is the example of method overloading in Java. So that's all for today's video. So thank you so much for watching this video.